Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to study the practical number 18th of the subject Electronic Measurement and Instrumentation. The aim of the practical is use Bourdon tube and LVDT to measure the applied pressure. Practical significance is LVDT is a passive transducer based on the mutual inductance principle. It is used to measure the linear displacement. It is used as a secondary transducer for measurement of pressure using Bourdon tube. This practical will help you to test the displacement characteristic of LVDT. Relevant program outcomes is discipline knowledge, experiments and practice engineering tools. Competency and practical skill is to maintain the electronic automated system in process and manufacturing industries. Use advanced test and measuring instrument. Select the instrument as per required range. Minimum theoretical background. LVDT is a passive inductive transducer. It consists of a single primary winding and two secondary windings wound on a hollow cylindrical former. Primary is connected to an AC source, secondary winding has an equal number of turns and it's identically placed on either side of the primary winding. Now the principle of LVDT based on the mutual inductor, it converts the linear motion into the electrical voltage and the electrical signal. Now this is the practical setup circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of Bourdon tube with LVDT. Now it is a Bourdon tube. It's connected to the core of the LVDT. Now the input is applied over here. That means the pressure is applied over here. Now as the Bourdon tube is made up of elastic material, when the pressure is inserted into the tube, it will try to change its shape. Now this is the free end of the Bourdon tube. And as the pressure is inserted, this end will move from one position to another position, and with the help of pulley, it is connected to the core of the LVDT, which is movable between the primary and secondary winding. As this end changes, then this core position is also changes. This core is shifted upward or downward side, and according to that, the voltage is induced in the LVDT. So here Bourdon tube is primary transducer and LVDT is used as a secondary transducer. Now this is the animation of the Bourdon tube. You can see here the applied pressure is applied from here, and as the pressure is applied, the free end of the Bourdon tube will changes, and with the help of mechanical linkage, the pointer is attached to that free end, and as the pressure is applied to Bourdon tube, the pointer is also changes, and this is in pink color. It is a calibrated scale. The pressure is directly displayed on the calibrated scale. Now the resources required is LVDT setup or Bourdon tube, weight and multimeter. Precautions to be followed, and this is the procedure. Now these are the practical related questions. State the application of LVDT other than the displacement measurement. State the reason of shifting of null position of LVDT. State methods of setting the null position. Write the voltage at primary of LVDT. State whether LVDT characteristic is linear or non-linear. So you have to write the answer of these questions. Thank you.